you want to go into the ready to wear business, but you don't have money to purchase your own machine. You want to go into the ready to wear business, and there are some designs that you have to make place on your mannequin, on your pinnable mannequin, and you start using pin. Or maybe you are a fashion designer and you have a client, and there are some styles that you cannot make on the sewing machine. After cutting, you have to make your client stand, and then or use a pinnable mannequin, and you start pinning it on the mannequin. Maka imewere pin tukpo client gị anya. Where your when your client is standing, you have to use needle and be pinning it to the client's body or to the pinnable mannequin. Use this machine. Come closer. So I was able to see someone in the market today with it. Mine is bad, so I've always been looking out for it to buy. So I saw this cute lady that was selling it, and I said I'm going to use my channel to market it for her. So this particular brand that she's selling is called Handy Stitch, because me, I'm buying it. So I want to put it out there for you people also, that if you need it, do well to contact the number and buy from her. She's so beautiful, she's so nice, she's so polite. So I said I'm going to use her I'm going to market it for her on my channel. So you can see the way she's using the mannequin, the sewing machine. This is a handheld machine. A handheld what? Machine. Is called Handy Stitch. This is the one I've been using since almost 5 years. Don't go and buy another one and say it's the same thing. I cannot guarantee how that one is working. This one is the one I can guarantee for. Handy Stitch is very, very durable. So far, you don't allow it to fall. The whole of the body is made of metal. So this is the pack. When you buy it newly, this is exactly how it's going to look like. Inside of it, when you open the carton, you are going to see a manual. So this is the manual. So when you get yours and you get the manual, do well to take your time and read, so you see the do's and don'ts of the machine. So you are going to inside the pack, you are going to see a manual. By the time you are done with the manual, we are done reading the manual, then let's go ahead and see the things that you are going to be getting from inside. It doesn't come with the machine alone. It doesn't come with the machine alone. Now, so it comes with a whole lot of other things that will be unfolding. Okay, so it comes with reeler, it comes with the bobbin case, and then it comes with this is the bobbin case and the reeler, and the I actually don't know what the other one is for. So you set that aside, and then you bring out because that thing, I've never used it. I didn't use it in my own when I was using my own. So it's, as the day goes by, new things are coming up. That particular thing that looks like I don't know what it's for, because in my own machine I didn't use it. They didn't put anything like that, and my machine is working perfectly fine. Okay, it's working perfectly fine, but maybe I think it's going to be used to reel your thread. Okay, you put your reeler hang your reeler in it. So the next thing you are going to do is put your battery. Okay, and this particular machine takes 4-finger batteries. This normal finger battery, it takes 4-finger batteries. So you don't need to, it's actually a machine you can carry anywhere you are going, anywhere at all that you are going. Any side of the shop you have it there. Mine just spoiled because this casing for it broke. So you have to be careful. The whole body of the machine is iron, but this particular part where you have to put your battery is plastic, so it broke. So you have to be careful with it not to fall, because mine fell and it broke. Now on top of this place where I have my hand, is the one I'm holding down now is the unlock. Okay, so when you push it towards you, you are unlocking the machine so you can start using. But if you push it forward, you are locking the machine. So even if you lock the machine and then you are pressing on the button for it to sew, it will not sew because you already locked it. So if you push it towards you, you unlock the machine. If you push it to the front, you have locked the machine. When you get the machine by yourself, you'll see it. It's actually a very handy machine and it's very beautiful. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is just fix your thread, fix your reeler, and then at the end of it, you are done. You start working, sewing your whatever you want to sew. Now let me tell you the beauty of this machine. There's a lot of stitches that I want to do. and my normal machine will not do it, like making lycra. Okay, this machine joins lycra beautifully. Okay, it just lycra beautifully. It doesn't jump the stitch won't be jumping. So anyway, if I get a fabric, then why I bought it was because I didn't know the setting for my machine. So if I want to stitch lycra, if it's jumping, I'll just use this one. Before you know it, it has gone. Do you understand? So that is one of the benefit of it. Then secondly, when you are making a style that you need to drape on the mannequin, or a style that you need to drape on your customer's body, just use it, hold it, put your battery and hold it. That's all. And the battery can last for hours. Yes, the battery can last for hours. My girl used to remove it and go and sun it and come and still put it back, and it will still work. It's a very handy machine. And the way I'm seeing this particular one is going to be the same thing with that old one. So you can just go ahead to use it. It stitches just anything. You can see it's stitching jean. He can stitch jean. He stitch lycra. He stitch what is it called now? He stitch he can stitch corsets. Yes, he can stitch corset, and the beauty of it is that you hold it and you can follow curve. It's not like the normal conventional machine that you're going to put on the table and you're trying to turn and turn, that kind of thing. No, this one, just hold it and follow the curve of what you are sewing. It will just get the curve without, So, but the only thing is that I cannot sew the way, it cannot weave. It's just sewing. Straight sewing. You can see all his sewing. He sews everything perfectly and neatly well. So this is a handy machine. It's not only for beginners that don't want to. You can have it if you have if you have a shop and you have apprentice and you don't want your apprentice using your machine, because if I just got you newly as an apprentice, I won't want you to match my machine. So you can see where you fix your reeler. Okay. If I just and then you fix your thread, that's all. Fix reeler, fix thread. And the oil you can use for this is normal clipper oil, normal machine oil. Yes, that machine oil that you see, normal one. So when you tap on the button, if you hold down the button that is on top of this machine, it will just be stitching. The only thing where you need to do, fix your reeler, fix your thread. You are going to see it from the manual. When it's a very easy to do something. By the time you get it by yourself, you will see how everything is being done. Okay, so I remember when I was using it, if I get a new apprentice, I won't want you to match my machine, because immediately they match it, they will just spoil something. So this is what I used to give to them initially. Then, you understand? So at the end of the day, after you are finished using it, just package your thing, hold it, put it, set it, hide it, put it anywhere. You understand? It's a very durable machine. So I want you people to go and try it out. And in the comment section, let me know whether you have tried it.